Usually, you know I never double back. And you're probably somewhere happy, getting your life on track. But when something's good, it's good, baby, that's a fact. Girl, I still have you on my mind, and I must confess.
Ass fat, 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camera so fat, you can see it from the back. Go bad bitch, 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 go, go, go.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be on unboxing these smart glasses. I tried to do some homework on it, so only thing is we don't know when they come. Are they charged? Are they not charged? So on that note, we're going to go ahead and get into it. But I want to say thank you to all my subscribers that is sticking in there, hanging in there with me. We're going to get there. We're going to continue to grow. And all the newbies, welcome. Welcome to the channel. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Like I said, anytime the hubby orders something off TikTok that I find interesting, we're going to bring it to the channel. So like I said, this is another one of his ordering, which is the smart glasses. Okay, so let's do this. Thought I had some scissors. I was trying to open it up. I didn't have my scissors, but we got it. Today is the perfect day to do this because it's real sunny outside, so we will get to see if it works or not. So, like I said, smart glasses, TikTok. Okay. So we're just opening it up. And that's opening up. This is what we see. So now we have the glasses in here. And inside the box we have the charging cord. And these charging cords are different because it has the little prongs like this on both ends. Okay. Clean and tell. Instructions. And off the back I could say that it does music too. Because if you read the back of it, it says something about pause music, play music. Okay. It has the cord is the recharge, is to charge it up. You have to excuse my nails. My nail tech is back in town tomorrow, so guess what? We're doing the nails tomorrow and the feet tomorrow, so that'll be in the next vlog. Okay. Next thing is voice assistance and remote camera. This is going to be interesting. Oh, how I love to play PI. So I could have these glasses on and I could do it as a camera, remote camera. Bingo. I love to play. Okay. Next page. Let's see, was that it? Yeah, so opening it up, this is everything. I'm giving y'all time to actually look at it and read it because I hate when you watch videos and they show you something and then they take it right down and you be like, well, dang, how was I supposed to read it? Look at it. Okay, on the back of it, It has phone, pairing templates, and switch machine. Wonder what's that about. So y'all know this wasn't made in the U.S., right? Because it has all the China stuff on it. So I like how it gives us the pairing step by step. So I'll give them credit on that. So that's that. If I would have known that we had instructions like this, baby, we would have been did this video. But we gonna make it work. So here's the glasses in the packet. We're gonna open it up. Plastic. Here are the glasses. Oh, how he might not get these back. We just don't jack him. Taking these off. In the inside, you see the little, see, how can I show you? See the little dots right there? So you click, you put the charging there and one on this side. And that's how it charges. So, did I bring my phone? Ooh, we on point today. Your girl brought her phone. So we gonna try this and see. Go to settings, Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm on settings. I'm on Bluetooth. Now, let's go here to pairing. And I love how they do have it in English and Chinese. So, we need to figure out how to turn these mugs on. So the left side is the touch key. The right side, touch key. Okay, let's go back to pairing. Settings, Bluetooth, glass E13. But we need to turn it on first. See, we don't caught them slipping. And all this after the reboot to mirror lens. Okay. Phone. Okay, it tells you what side, but it ain't telling us how to turn these things on. Let's see. I don't know if it needs to be charged or we just gonna touch some stuff. Let's go to Bluetooth and see.
Power on.
Did y'all hear that? It said power on. You guys, look. Very last one, it says E3 glasses. We smarter than a 5th grader. I used to watch that show, so excuse me. It said connected. Okay. So, we connected. Now we need to figure out, is there an app to this? So we're going to go look up smartphone. So we're going to search for smartphone. I'm assuming, I'm just taking it and running with it, you guys. So, smart glasses. You guys, as I'm typing, I'm hearing it in the glasses. So, listen. Okay, so I'm seeing Mega View, set up your smart glasses, my smart glasses lifestyle. So we're going to set these glasses here for a second. Let's see. After pairing, we're going to go to, oh, are we supposed to put them on and after the boot to mirror legs? Do we not need an app? So are these just ones that you just I don't know. Let's put them on and see what we see. So it's connected to my phone. We're just going to download this app here, MegaView, and see. Because I'm finding it hard to believe that it just clicked in my ear, behind my ear here, when I hit the download button. So I'm just going to download this one, and we're going to see what happened. While that's downloading. Because see, look, we did the pairing. So if I had to say what was next was pair template. So let's open it and see. It says get started. We're going to continue as my main one on Instagram as D.J.I. So if you didn't know, I have several channels on Instagram, which is these right here, which is D.J.I, DDK Collection, Diamond D Collection, Green Eyes 8031, The Town Whip, and Wife Love Luxury. Yes, I have all of them. So sometime you might catch something on one page that you're not going to catch on the other, but for the most part I think I got them connected to where if I upload one, it goes on all of them. So I think that's how it's done. So we're going to continue as D.J.I. Okay, log in with email. I hear it in my ear. Do we want to log in with email? Because I don't remember my password. I don't remember my password to my thing. So we're going to create a mega account. Continue. Which I should have one because I have the VR. Can y'all hear it? Every time I say that, it stops. So just pay attention and listen. Okay, it wants me to confirm a code. So let's go to the email. Let's go to the actual email. For some reason, if I put Yahoo or email on my phone, I get my Yahoo mail quicker if I go through the Yahoo mail app than through the phone. Okay, so we got the code. Let's see if we can remember. 443726. 443726. Okay, saying get email. It's thinking. Save your logo information. We'll just save it for now. And this is what it brought up. Ray-Ban something. Mega. Continue. Allow. Blue LED turns on. Okay. I guess it's searching. So while it's searching, guys, I'm going to let it do what it do. Let my battery charge up because I got one battery left. Come back on here. And by then, we should have had the phone and the glasses paired to where I can be able to show you what it do. So, we'll be back. What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back. Well, I'm just really continuing this video. I left off on the part where I was going to go do some homework on the glasses. I didn't bring the glasses back down here with me, so, but the glasses were like this here. And what I did notice on the glasses, if you tap once, then it pauses. If you double tap, it unpauses it. Two taps, so if you do like this, tap, tap, then that takes you to your next music track that you're listening to. Excuse me. 3 taps enables the voice assistance. Okay. The recorder, you have to use it like, if you have the app on your phone that does recorders where you can record you and somebody else's conversation, it gives you the option to choose that pair of glasses to be the recorder also. To power on, you have to, if you wonder what I'm looking at, I'm looking at my notes. So, to power on, you press and hold the red line. So, if you remember, it was a red line on this side and the blue line on this side. So, pressing and holding the red line powers on. The button on both sides for 5 seconds will turn it off. Okay? Or you could just do a long hold like this for 5 seconds and it'll turn it off. So, other than that, I did find the glasses to be kind of helpful. I was able to not have to look down at my phone if I'm looking at maps or something, and it would still tell me in my around my ear, you know, because you got the glasses on blocking the sun, so it's telling you in your ear. So I thought that was very helpful. Yeah, so I wanted to come on here and just finish this video up and let y'all know that was the latest smart Tik-Tok hubby bought for me to review. So you guys, on that note, I'm going to go ahead and finish this video off so that we can go ahead and get it uploaded. And until next time.